Hi, this is Kirill for TechWare Labs, and this is a quick little video about the light functions on the Rosewill 9200K Helios. The FN button is right here, so we go FN. FN F9 controls the WASD keys, FN F10 controls the arrow keys, and FN F11 controls the rest of the keyboard. FN F12 controls brightness, and this is the breathe function. Hitting the FN, F9, and 10 keys again switches it to green. Still in breathe mode. And then once again to turn it off. Now let's turn it to red really quickly and maximum brightness. But I'm just going to pan over it so you can see the inconsistencies I kind of mentioned in the review. Some of the lights don't fully light every key, and some light it too much, but it's kind of forgivable. Also, there is that blue that was mentioned that was really out of place in terms of light. Well, that's it for this.